you get wind that the baby's born?
Your Honor, this is what happened, right? We were repeatedly and from our hotel room calling, aimlessly trying to figure out Susan as well. I know, but she wasn't even communicating back with us anyway, because at least would have known, right, that we were at least somewhat involved. We're not even being called. We live in the digital age. You can't check your phone, send us one text message about what's going on.
And Susan was
I didn't handle it perfectly. I understand. I didn't handle it perfect.
You were not in Indiana.
What happened? You had told the birth mother that you didn't want the baby, and you
I did. These are all facts. This is true.
So when did you decide, when did the birth mother approach you?
She was in the hospital. She gave birth, and I got a FaceTime.
Okay, so it didn't happen until she actually gave birth.
Yes, she gave birth. I got a FaceTime.
Did you know that they were in Indiana trying to form a bond?
I did, and this is all honesty. I didn't handle it perfectly.
Okay,
I didn't know how to handle it perfectly, but when I saw the baby's face, it changed everything, and I can't explain it. It's like motherly instincts, and I'm sorry, you guys, for that, but I'm saying at the end of the day, this is what's important. Having the kids together is all she ever wanted.
Okay, so you decided at that moment to adopt the baby. Did you formalize an agreement?
There wasn't even a question. Yes.
All right. So again, how is Ms. Tripoli responsible for you guys voluntarily spending $3,200 to go to Indiana to try to form a
we
bond
wouldn't have
with the
spent
birth
that much
mother?
money if we owned the baby was born. We stayed longer.
No, but you decided to spend the money while she was still pregnant, before she gave birth.
But it has less to do with that.
And the moment she gave birth, then now you're asking for the money back because the birth mother decided to give out to somebody else that wasn't you.
Because it's human relationships, things that were involved.
It's
all back down to money, doesn't it? Gotta get another Louis Vuitton purse.
It's a matter of character that she won't be willing to reimburse her best friend of several years.
I thought we were friends. I thought we were good friends.
Well, not anymore.
This should be important to you. I think at the end of the day, it's the most important here.
You just be quiet and let the judge.
I'm kind of surprised, Ms. Tripoli, by how fierce you're being. It's kind of really disappointing. It's all about the money. It's all you want to get a man purse. I mean, that's, not only is it rude, it's demeaning, and it's beside the point. If you really care about adopting a child, why would it be so frivolous and demeaning bringing that into a courtroom?
No, I agree.
That's a statement. It's not a question. It's not a question.
I just wonder if it's about the money, Your Honor, in their case.
They're suing you for $3,200 because for some reason they feel that you lied to them. But the problem with that theory, Mr. and Mr. Wesley, is that there is no legal backing to that. You cannot say I detrimentally relied on Susan that I was going to adopt this child because Susan never had the right to say whether or not that child would be yours. At the end of the day, the mother decided to give the child to somebody else.
But we totally understand that. That's not the case, Your Honor.
So then how is the defendant responsible for $3,200? Because she's not. She didn't make it travel.
We had two weeks there. We're intelligent, successful human beings in this country. We had 2 weeks there where they could have communicated this wasn't the case.
Successful? That's why you're fighting this right now. Over
I'm trying to speak decently, Your Honor.
Ms. Tripoli, I think it's best that you just do not say anything.
So we had 2 weeks of time, but how do we act like high schoolers, ghosting us and keeping us, you know, we understand we have adopted a daughter. We do know the legal process.
You're not seeing this in a legal way. You have no standing and no legal claim. I mean, I don't understand why you're lying, Mr. Wesley. If you're so damn intelligent,
exactly.
You would have Miss Tripoli. Miss Tripoli.
This is a circus. Oh,
you're despicable.
Miss Tripoli.
I think it's ridiculous.
Sandra, can you please take Ms. Lee out of this courtroom?
Let's go.
What?
Let's go.
Can you please leave?
Let's go.
I didn't mean to be that way.
Can you leave?
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Your Honor, I apologize.
I can see your resentment. I get it. Personal feelings have nothing to do with that. I still need a legal claim, you guys. You guys didn't present a persuasive legal claim. But after seeing her attitude, I understand the anger of why you guys are here. And if you came here for the purpose to actually prove a point, you did. So get back on the train again and try if you can adopt another baby, okay? So good luck, guys. So based on that, I will deny your claim of $3,200 and rule in favor of the defendant. Good luck.